Hey, is your iPhone automatically uploading all your photos and videos to iCloud? So let's see how you can turn off iCloud Photo Sync on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone running with iOS 26. Alright, so the first thing you have to do, go to your settings, then from your Apple account, go to iCloud, and now from Save to iCloud section, you will find iCloud Photos. Just go for it, and now you will see the Sync This iPhone option. So if it's turned on, that means your photo and videos are automatically syncing to iCloud. So now to turn off iCloud photo syncing, just toggle that switch off. So from here, you will see two options: remove from iPhone and download photos and videos. So if you choose remove from iPhone, your photo will be deleted from your iPhone, but will still remain safely stored in iCloud. But if you select download photos and videos, all your photos and videos from iCloud will be downloaded and kept on your iPhone as well. So I go for remove from iPhone, and that's it. That's how you can turn off iCloud Photo Sync on your iPhone. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.